Okay, well, we are in our VW right now, and as you can see from the dashboard here, we have the ABS warning light showing here. So it is something that we're going to have to diagnose. What we're going to do is hook it up to a diagnostic tool to find out if the problem is in fact an ABS sensor. We suspect the problem is an ABS sensor, but there is of course the possibility that there is a fault within the ABS module or the ABS pump as well. So we'll first of all we'll hook it up to the diagnostic tool, and then we'll see if we can get this fault diagnosed. Okay, so the tool we're going to use to diagnose the ABS fault here is the VAG scan tool VAG505, which, as you can see, covers VW, Audi, Seat, Skoda, and also Bentley and Bugatti as well. So we have the ABS light on. As I say, we need to select the VW option, and we need to select the systems. We need to select the control unit, which is in the chassis section, and you'll find ABS brakes here. So we're going to scan to see if there are any faults within this system, which we suspect a fault will show up. It's just detecting the system now, connecting up. Right, so it gives us the option to erase codes. And here it looks like we do have a fault code. The fault code which is showing up is ABS wheel speed sensor rear left, with a code of 00290. So it looks like we need to replace the rear left ABS sensor. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and change that out. Once we've changed that over, we'll come back into the vehicle and we will erase the trouble code, and we should see the ABS light removed from the dashboard. Okay, so we're on the rear left hand side of the vehicle now. This is the connector for the ABS sensor, and as you can see there, you might be able to see, there it is there, shiny new ABS sensor. So we've just put that in. What we need to do now is connect it up, clear the fault code, and then the ABS light should be removed from the dashboard. Okay, so we're back in the vehicle now after having changed out the ABS sensor on the rear left of the vehicle. So what we're going to do is we're going to start the engine now, just to see if the ABS light needs to be cleared using the scan tool or if it will go out on its own. So the engine has started. As you saw there, pretty quickly the ABS light went out of its own accord. But what we still will need to do is erase the fault and trouble codes from the memory of the vehicle, just so that the ECU knows that the ABS fault has been cleared now. So we'll go back into control unit, go back into chassis, ABS brakes, so we'll give it erase codes. Now it's asking us to stop the engine with the ignition on, so stop the engine, ignition is on, so we'll click yes to that. DTCs, that's diagnostic trouble codes, and freeze data will be lost. Do you wish to continue? So we'll click yes to that. There we go, erase codes command sent. So it's asking us to perform a read code check again, just to verify that the codes have been cleared. So we'll click on read codes, and we've got a message saying system pass, no fault codes detected. So there it is, the VAG scan tool VAG505 will successfully diagnose and remove the ABS light from your dashboard of your VW, Audi, Seat or Skoda vehicle. If you are interested in this kit, just click the link directly below this video and it will take you to the page directly on our website.